Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool Cabrio electric dryer. This is going to be a solo listing, so just the dryer. It's in excellent condition, and I've got it running here for a couple minutes. We'll go ahead and kind of start over so you can see. Let it shut down. 45 minutes on a heavy duty, normal, all kinds of options and settings you can do here. If you're doing delicates or heavy loads, it's got an option for just about everything. You can pause and take a look there if you want. Otherwise, I'll have pictures in the listing as well. We'll go ahead and just stick it on heavy duty, highest setting. Just everything as high as it'll go here. Hit start. And it's going to be nice and warm because I've had it running for a couple minutes. I want to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. And I've got my surface temperature gun. Right in between those two red dots, we're going to take a measurement on the temperature inside. You can see the difference, about 10 degrees difference between the dryer and the floor out here. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Nice, bright, and right in here, plenty of heat coming out of the heating element tube there. So right below on the back side, the heating element's about here, pushes that heat right up out of this little grate. I get the question all the time, that black spot, is that normal or what causes that? And the heat coming out of here can get up to 300 degrees, and it doesn't take too long for that grate to discolor a little bit, and that's perfectly normal. Nothing wrong with that at all, because the inside of your dryer is only going to get between 95 and 195 degrees, which is what dries your clothes, and you can determine how high it gets based on those heat settings we were looking at up there. So now you know. I need to take a picture of this real quick for the ad, but now you know it heats perfectly. Inside works, light works, everything looks good, and it sounds great during operation. And of course, I'm going to go through and detail it and make it look like new. But there you have it. I like to show as if you were standing here yourself testing it out. The dryer always gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical and mechanical gets tested and ensures that it's working perfectly before it leaves my care here. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day. Thanks.